In a speaking loaded in hard rhetorical for his critics and migration suggest, Sessions decried officials who supporting as-called nature reserve town policies as extremists promotion outdoor national borders. Hall treat migration agents otherwise of all else for the goal of eviscerating boundary and migration laws and progressive and outdoor national borders philosophical share by just a few, the largest drastic extremists, Sessions told. Her actions supporting such who despise our laws and bravely validates unlawfulness, Sessions told. Down there's no some way to construe such speech. So there's my communication to Mayoress Schaaf, how venture thou? Sessions extended. How venture you unnecessarily jeopardize the lives of law coercion to contribute an outdoor national borders order of business? Schaaf fired behind in a declaration, proverb she was sure her country would dominate in the litigation. How venture you divert the us human beings of a unsuccessful migration framework how burst into tears separately proper families and forces the workers how our economics depends on to harvesting our cereal, supply our services, and construct our cities to dwell in terror and job by depressed facility, Schaaf told. How venture you misrepresent the fact on decreasing forcible criminality rates in a various, nature reserve town Love Oakland to preliminary a bigot order of business. The lawyer Jens speaking in Sacramento at a country law coercion collection came on the heels of a go by the Judiciary Division deceased Tuesday to sue California above its as-called nature reserve policies how forbid several collaboration in Fed migration coercion. The go is in violent rise of a fight the authority has been waging with CEO Donald Trump card's assumption of office to blood pressure regional jurisdictions to assist the Fed's capture not documentary migrant. Sessions protected the litigation, proverb it was on prevent annulment of Fed laws, that he compared to the schismatic motion for the civilian warfare. Opposite to which you might listen of the illegal outdoor borders radicals, we are not request California, Oakland, or nobody else to in fact efficaciously force migration laws, Sessions told. I can't sit by lazily time the legal authorities of Fed commanders are creature locked by illegal activity of political community, he added. State and cities say their policies are defending the top concern of their residents and how they should not include to expend their bounded asset on a Fed liability. California government. Jerry Tan and country lawyer General Xavier Becerra firmly spurred behind on Sessions in a news story meeting soon following his occasion environment, proverb often how his accusations and characterizations of the country's nature reserve politics are incorrect. Tan named the law a thoroughly balanced action how had been accepted by law coercion. The is very unparalleled, for the head law coercion official of the joint state to go out to California and act more than love Fox News story rather than a law coercion official, Tan told. The is a policy trick. Becerra told California is sure its laws are constitution and will stay the problem of the Judiciary Division. I see Stryker to manufacturing these arguments in trial, and we will go on to stay up for our police force and our sheriffs, Becerra told. Tan though caused the specific advisor inquiry in Ruski poll interference in which he told were repeated put of Sessions. Outdoor boundary, lie a defend criminals, lie couple. California wants to go out, lie 3. Not real, Tan told. We aware the Trump card authority is complete of liars. They've pled those guilty already to the specific advisor. I urge on, Sessions, to apologize to the human beings of California for earning the falsity of Washington to California. Sessions protected the Trump card authorities' shove on not documentary migrant, tension how it wants to attention on legislative migrant. The U.S. welcomes above 1 millionth migrant a year juridically by giver them verdant cards, more than rather than any some nationality, he told. Or let no one argue how we deny migration and wish to side off America of all migrant, Sessions told. Really, at the unparalleled bet, we will quickly include the greatest percent of non-native unborn in our nationality's story, and the percent is ongoing to growth each year subsequently. The litigation is the newest board of the Trump card authority versus as-called nature reserve cities, a wide period relating to localities how dwell by several action of non-cooperation in Fed law coercion, although early courts include locked lot of the authorities' efforts to blood pressure nature reserve jurisdictions, in Fed judges branch in such cities and state in lawsuit. Sessions told Environment he expects to dominate in the instance. California, he, completely appears to me, is with each force it has, powers it doesn't include, to disappoint Fed law coercion. So you can be certainly I'm departure to use each force I include to halt them, Sessions told. We are departure to struggle these unreasonable, unjust, unconstitutional policies how include been superimposed on you and yours commanders or our Fed commanders. And we plan to win the struggle.